Hey, Feng Shui enthusiasts. If I offered to guide you on how to use true classical Feng Shui approaches to help you locate your 3 or 4 money corners in your house in just 3 hours, without you needing to do complicated Feng Shui calculations, and you no longer have to worry endlessly if you're doing it right, because my team and I will be on hand to guide you every step of the way. Would you take me up on that offer? Are you ready to unlock and receive the wealth vibes in your life and in your home using the power of Feng Shui? I have a mini workshop coming up, and we're going to find not just 1, but 3 money wealth corners that'll bring abundance and prosperity into your life. Now, how does this work? First things first, let me introduce you to the real concept of money wealth corners. In Feng Shui, we believe that specific areas in your home hold the energy of abundance and wealth. By identifying these corners and activating them positively, we can attract financial opportunities and success. But contrary to popular belief, these money corners are not one size fits all. You actually need to look at the Feng Shui facing of your home and the Feng Shui period of your home. Now, this is enough to get most Feng Shui enthusiasts confused and stuck. And this is where this mini workshop comes in. I will have trainings to help you, but I'll talk about that more in a minute. Now, I know that some of you may have done your own research into this topic. Maybe your layout is a little bit different, so you're not sure where your money corner truly is. Maybe you've DIY'd it for a bit, but it did nothing to your bank account. Maybe you're thinking to yourself, if finding and activating the money corner was that easy, wouldn't everyone be rich by now? Right? Or maybe you've been wondering, a phone consultation might be in the horizons, but you're not quite sure if you're ready for the financial commitment to work with a professional. Well, great news. My mini workshop isn't just about finding your wealth corners. It's also about overcoming obstacles that hold us back from achieving financial greatness. Believe me, your whole perspective, journey, and results with Feng Shui will be at a whole new level after this. All right, so what do you need for this mini workshop if you register for it? You just need to gather some essentials for this workshop to help me help you. You'll need a compass, something like this with a flat edge, a layout of your home, and an open mind ready to embrace these new ways of doing Feng Shui. Because I know it's going to be really different for what most of you are used to seeing Feng Shui-wise. I've got pre-recorded videos to go over general guidelines on how to determine your Feng Shui period, your Feng Shui facing. You will also learn the special way my grandmasters have taught me to demarcate home layouts. Most of you guys will never see it be done like this before. But if you're ever unsure, you can just pop into our private Facebook group, and me and my trusted associates can make sure you get these crucial pieces of information correct. And in the live training, or you can watch the replay if you can't make it live, we will go through your game plan on where your money corners are. And once we determine that, the next step, and here comes the exciting part, I will guide you on which of your money corners you can activate for the remainder of 2023 and into 2024. The level of this information, I can guarantee you cannot find anywhere online, especially in English. The final step is to learn which of these wealth corners are the best and safest for you to activate. I will guide you on whether the activator should be a water element, should be a fire element, should it be sound or light. This little nuance is very crucial because some elemental usage are better than others, depending on the kind of money energy that you're wanting to activate. As a bonus, I'll even add on the monthly Feng Shui energies so you are armed with the best times and locations to activate these money corners specific to your home and your layout. This is super important because energy is constantly shifting, and unless you are a trained professional like me, I've done this for years and I've spent high 5 figures in my Feng Shui training. I've been a Feng Shui consultant for almost 2 decades now, and this is the closest I can get you to the power of real Feng Shui without investment needed for a private consultation or a certification course with me. I've trained hundreds of students and clients all over the world on how to harness the power of real Feng Shui to get real results for them. Are you next?